How you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna go check out this nice restaurant that I found online. And I noticed that it's next to the Peruvian restaurant, the other one that I made like about a few weeks back. And it's called Dumplings and Things. And I was checking out their menu and I got fascinated by what they had. So I wanted to check them out. They open at 11. It's like about to be 11. So I'll be there probably in 30 minutes. And it's close too, so that's another good thing, you know. And it's in Queens, so like all my other videos, I'll be putting a description down below, the address, and if they also have social media, I'll put that down there too, and also what trains and buses you guys can take to get there, you know. But yeah, I'm on my way right now. It's very cold, colder than yesterday. It's in the 20s today, I believe. So yeah, hopefully I get there quickly with train. Also guys, just to let you guys know that they only accept cash. They don't accept card. Good thing I called because I wanted to double check on that. So I just went to the store, took out some money. Yeah, and right now, as you can see, I'm waiting for the train. Guys, I'm right across the street. It's right there, and it's right next to the Peruvian restaurant, the one that I made a video about like 2-3 weeks ago. So yeah, I'm going in right now. So I just got here that order. I told them that I wanted an order of grilled chicken with white rice and a side of dumplings on the side, and so far so good. Total, also with a can of Coke. So total came out to like 16 and change. It's not bad, you know, in my opinion, you know. It's not too much. And the waiting time, they say about 10 minutes, which is good, you know. That's pretty fast. But so far so good. It's a nice spot. It's very neat, it's very clean, it's very organized too. Look. You know, very pretty neat. So far so good. It's good. Warm in here too, which is good, you know. So if you guys ever come here and it's cold season, don't worry, there's a heater here. The heater's right there. Okay guys, so the food just came in. So this is the order of dumplings that I ordered, and this is the other one, the chicken over rice. And no lie, this is a big bowl, very good size too. Okay, so I'm gonna go for the grilled chicken over rice, because I feel like the dumplings is like a side dish, you know. And this looks very delicious. This I actually don't know what flavor it is, but it's my first time trying it, so hopefully it's very good. So right now I'm gonna take the first bite and just show you how the steamed chicken looks. Very crispy, nicely colored too. The inside, well done. You know. So. It's truly. Very well done, prepared. Has a nice taste too. And let me try it with the carrot and the rice, with the chicken all mixed together. Look at that steam. Who doesn't love that? The rice too, very done prepared. It's not like sticky compared to other rices, you know, unlike other restaurants. This one's like all separated, well done too, the rice. Let me see one. Oh no. It's very good. I highly recommend it too. Also guys, I'm gonna show you also the menu that they have on the wall. They don't have like a menu where you could like see for yourself, meaning like paper type or booklet or anything like that. It's on the wall, so I'm gonna just show it right here so you guys can see it. And so far the prices are very good, you know, very reasonable, fair prices. It's not like too pricey or anything like that. It's a pretty fair price. But that's just me, you know, that's my opinion. So far so good. I like the prices here. And now I'm gonna try the dumpling. I ordered steamed. Ordered dumplings. So let me just give it some of that taste. Steamed chicken over rice. Let me see how that tastes. It's very good. Look at the inside. Very nice color. Tasty too. It's very healthy as well. And I've noticed having it, the dumplings with the chicken over rice is very good combo too. So I highly recommend it if you guys ever come here. I love the steamed chicken. Also kind of grilled too. I love the burnt part of it. It has a very good taste. And like I said, I love that they give you a great portion. You know, unlike other places, they give you like a smaller bowl, less amount of food. But this one is very necessary. Also, guys, I forgot to mention that little juice thingy that came with the bowl. It's very sweet. Sweet, but it has a very nice sweet texture and taste. And it goes very well with the dish. It makes it very good, in my opinion. You know, so far so good in my opinion. I give this bowl 10 out of 10. There's no iffies about it. There's nothing that makes this food okay-ish or anything like that. It's very good, great amount of food too. So that's a 8++ for me. And the dumplings, very delicious, very healthy too. Like, it's very tasty in the inside and also on the outside, you know. Because I noticed that not all dumplings from all restaurants taste the same. So, yeah. Look guys, I'm not even done and I'm already full. But I'm not gonna let this beat me. The food is very good. Okay guys, so I just got out of the restaurant. I'm in the city right now. I'm gonna go do some shopping. But just some quick review. Again, the food was delicious. I love the dumplings. I love the grilled chicken over rice. It was a lot of food too. So that's a big bonus for me, you know. The price was fair. It was good. It wasn't too expensive or anything like that. The place was nice, clean, socially distant. But yeah, that's my opinion. So far so good. I give the place 10 out of 10. I highly recommend it if you guys ever come to New York. It's in Queens. I'm gonna put down the description down below so you guys can check it out for yourselves. And yeah, guys, that was today's video. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna be posting like 3-4 videos a month about restaurants that I find in here in New York. So yeah, guys, that was today's video. I hope you guys liked it.